Hello! Today I will be teaching you how to make an origami heart. Let's begin. First, you're going to need a square piece of paper. And the first step is you are going to fold it like this. And then open it up again. Turn it around and fold it the other way. So you should end up with an X, ideally. Ideally. All right, so first, I folded it like this. Creased it with my fingers. Then I opened it up and folded it the other way. Boom. Then you're going to make it so that this is like this, and you're going to fold the top corner down. So you're going to fold the top corner down like this. Nice. Then you're going to take the bottom corner and fold it up so that it is reaching like this. So that it looks like this. Easy enough so far. All right. Now you are going to take this side and fold it towards that crease that's right in the middle. So it's going to look like this. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. I mean, not the other side. The same thing on this side. You're not gonna like flip it over. All right. So now it should look like this. Now you're gonna flip it over again. Or you're gonna flip it over so that this side is showing, the side with the fold. You're going to flip this corner down and do the same thing to the other. So it's going to look like that with those two tops flipped down. Now you're going to do it for these two as well. Fold those in so it looks like this. And now when you turn it around, you have that, wait, other side. Origami is hard. Now when you turn it around, you have a heart. It's so cute. I hope you enjoyed this origami tutorial, and feel free to send us pictures if you end up making some hearts of your own. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.